Is your favorite bacon sandwich a cancer risk? Can that juicy steak really be a ticking time bomb? Stay tuned as we dissect the contentious evidence and explore the explosive debate surrounding meat and cancer. But first, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join the conversation. We've all heard the whispers about processed meats being labeled as Group 1 carcinogens, but just how strong is the evidence? Are we willingly putting our health on the line every time we savor that crispy bacon or indulge in a hot dog? Brace yourselves as we uncover the shocking truth. Red meat, a dietary staple for many, has been slapped with a probably carcinogenic label. But is it really time to swear off steak for good? We'll explore the controversial findings and ask the hard questions about the role red meat plays in the complex web of cancer risk. Is the way we cook our meat secretly conspiring against us? Grilling, frying, and other high-temperature cooking methods may be creating carcinogenic compounds that fly under the radar. Join us as we expose the hidden dangers lurking in your favorite cooking techniques. The link between meat consumption and cancer risk has been the subject of numerous studies and debates. The evidence suggests that there is a correlation between certain types of meat consumption and an increased risk of certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. Processed meats such as bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and cured meats have been classified as Group 1 carcinogens by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, which is part of the World Health Organization. Group 1 means there's sufficient evidence to conclude that these substances can cause cancer in humans. The main concern with processed meats is the presence of certain chemicals formed during the processing, such as nitrites and N-nitroso compounds, which may contribute to the development of cancer. Additionally, the high-temperature cooking methods like grilling or frying can produce heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, which are also associated with an increased cancer risk. Red meat, including beef, pork, and lamb, has been classified as Group 2A, which means it is probably carcinogenic to humans. Red meats such as beef, pork, and lamb have been classified as Group 2A, indicating that they are probably carcinogenic to humans. This classification is based on evidence that suggests a positive association between red meat consumption and the development of colorectal cancer. The mechanisms behind this association are not fully understood, but factors such as the presence of heme iron, high-temperature cooking methods, which can produce carcinogenic compounds, and the role of the gut microbiota have been investigated. It's important to note that while there is an association between meat consumption and cancer risk, the absolute risk remains relatively low, and individual lifestyle factors, genetics, and overall dietary patterns play significant roles. Moreover, the evidence does not suggest that all types of meat are equally problematic, and leaner cuts of meat and alternative protein sources can be part of a healthy diet. For those concerned about cancer risk, experts often recommend moderation in red and processed meat consumption, and choosing healthier cooking methods, such as baking, steaming, or boiling. Chicken is often considered a nutritious, sustainable meat option, but there's a darker side to this health food. Some research has linked poultry with a higher risk of cancer too. One study tested 100 grilled chicken samples from top restaurant chains in California, including McDonald's, Burger King, and Applebee's. All 100 samples contained FIAP, a federally recognized carcinogen that has been linked to breast, prostate, and other cancers, said the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, which led the research. Researchers looked at data from nearly 500,000 people in the UK and found a connection between poultry and prostate cancer, as well as non-Hodgkin lymphoma, a cancer that starts in white blood cells. Separate research, which included more than 400,000 European participants, also found a possible link between poultry consumption and non-Hodgkin lymphoma. As with any health-related topic, it's advisable to consult with healthcare professionals and consider individual health conditions and risk factors. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button if you're ready for more controversy, and of course, subscribe for our upcoming deep dives into the hottest topics. Until next time.